Have you opened Microsoft Excel only to find that the AutoSave switch is grayed out or unavailable? If so, don't worry. In many cases, the problem isn't caused by a bug in Excel. AutoSave is designed to work under specific conditions, and if one of those conditions isn't met, the feature may be disabled. The first thing to check is where your workbook is stored. AutoSave is primarily designed for Microsoft 365 files saved to OneDrive, OneDrive for Business, or SharePoint Online. If your workbook is stored on your computer's local drive, such as the C drive on a USB flash drive, a standard network folder, or an unsupported third-party cloud service, AutoSave may remain unavailable. If you've just created a new workbook and haven't saved it yet, the AutoSave switch may also be grayed out. To test whether storage location is the issue, create or open a harmless sample workbook. Go to File, select Save a Copy, and choose your OneDrive account as the save location. Avoid moving the only copy of an important business file during testing. After the workbook finishes saving to OneDrive, check whether the AutoSave switch becomes available. Next, check the workbook's file format. Modern Excel formats, such as .xlsx and, in appropriate situations, .xlsb, generally support AutoSave and collaboration features. Older workbook formats or incompatible file types may prevent AutoSave from working correctly. If your workbook contains macros, avoid converting it to another format unless you're sure the macros will continue to work as expected. Another common reason is that the workbook has opened in a protected or read-only state. Look near the top of the Excel window for a Protected View banner. Also check whether the workbook is marked as final, opened as read-only, protected with a password, managed with information rights management, or requires checkout from a document library. These protection features are designed to keep files secure. Don't disable Protected View globally or bypass security warnings on files you don't trust simply to enable AutoSave. If the workbook is shared with other people, check for co-authoring issues. AutoSave works closely with real-time collaboration, so problems can occur if another person is using an unsupported version of Excel, or if the document library doesn't support co-authoring. Close any unnecessary copies of the workbook, and if possible, create a new test workbook in the same OneDrive or SharePoint location to see whether AutoSave works there. You should also verify that Excel is signed in with the correct Microsoft 365 account. Open File, then Account, and confirm you're signed into the account connected to the OneDrive or SharePoint location where the workbook is stored. While you're there, check for Office updates and install any available updates. After updating, restart Excel and test AutoSave again. Finally, remember what AutoSave is and what it isn't. AutoSave continuously saves your changes to supported cloud files, but it does not replace version history, regular backups, restore testing, or offline copies of important documents. Even if AutoSave is working perfectly, it's still a good idea to keep separate backups of important files. Let's quickly recap. First, make sure your workbook is stored in OneDrive or SharePoint Online. Next, verify that you're using a supported Excel file format. Then check for Protected View, read-only mode, or other security restrictions. If the workbook is shared, look for co-authoring issues. Confirm you're signed into the correct Microsoft 365 account. Update Office, restart Excel, and always maintain a separate backup of your important work. Following these steps will solve the most common reasons why the autosave switch is grayed out in Microsoft Excel.